ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your RJ Sivaguru and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar. Project investigator Alok Verma. Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elderline toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 am to 8 pm for any questions, queries and support to elderly. New recipes which everyone of us would like to learn, prepare and taste. Today we have Mr. Vasanth Kumar, who is going to teach us two new recipes. The first one is called Kumar-Recipe-Vadi, a Maharashtrian dish, and the other one is jackfruit kheer or payasam. Sounds interesting, right? Let us not waste time. Let us hear from Mr. Vasanth Kumar. Mr. Vasanth, over to you.
Dear friends, I am Vasanth Kumar here, a member of Nightingale Trust. Today I am going to teach you how to make a Maharashtrian dish called Kumar-Recipe-Vadi. See, for this the following materials are required. One is coriander leaves, 1 bundle, gram flour about 200 grams, and rice powder about 2 spoons, coriander powder about 2 spoons, jeera powder about half to 1 spoon, green chilies 8 to 10, and chili powder about 2 spoons, hing, asafoetida to taste, and garam masala to the required taste, and salt to the required taste. So these are the materials required. So now the process: first wash the coriander leaves thoroughly and dry it for half an hour and chop it, and take the chopped coriander leaves in a vessel. Add the following ingredients such as gram flour, rice powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, green chilies pieces, chili powder, hing, garam masala and salt to taste, and mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Then add little oil and then mix it, and add little water if required to make it like a duff, like a chapati duff what you will make. Leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now transfer the duff into the small round plates or square plates, whatever it is, like a tatte idli, the idli plate. which is a plate applied with oil on the bottom. Now spread the duff, slightly press the duff. Then steam the duff transferred in the plates like idli for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then after it is cooled, cut the steamed item into small squares to the required shape, about 1 inch by 2 inches, using a knife. Then transfer the pieces into a small vessel. Then fry the pieces in the oil till it becomes golden brown color and transfer into a container. Now it is ready to eat with the tomato sauce and a green chutney and enjoy. You can prepare this and you can try out and let me know the taste. Thank you. Thank you for patiently listening to my Maharashtrian dish. Hope you will prepare and give me the feedback. Thank you very much. Thank you. I am going to teach one more dish called jackfruit kheer or payasam. See, the materials required for this: jackfruit about 4 to 5 pieces, grated coconut 1 cup, elachi 2 to 3 pieces, cashew 4 to 5 pieces, almonds 4 to 5 pieces, and jaggery about 200 to 250 grams. Process: first, cut the jackfruit fruit to small pieces. Add grated coconut, elachi, cashew, almonds, and transfer this into a grinding jar and grind well to form a paste like. Now boil about 250 to 300 ml water. Add jaggery into it and stir well and filter the same to remove any particles or dust in that. Now after boiling, now add the grounded paste into the boiled jaggery water and boil further for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then add 2 spoons of ghee and about 5 to 6 pieces of cut cashew into small pieces, and further boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now it is ready to serve hot and you can enjoy. Friends, you can try this and you can give me a feedback how it was. Thank you very much. So you can try and give me feedback. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vasant, for the mouth-watering recipes. We will definitely try them. Keep teaching us new recipes in future too. Listeners, I hope you too enjoyed the program. Stay tuned to Hiriyaravani for more such programs. Government of India has initiated elderly toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.